doing?
I'm working in my tiny house.
Can I come in?
Absolutely.
What are you working with today?
I am using Great Stuff window and door.
How come you're using window and door and not one of those other products over there?
Well, these expand, whereas this has minimal expansion because you want to keep your doors and windows square. So this doesn't allow for it to bow.
What's that other thing in your hand?
This is actually called a reusable smart dispenser. It makes it so they can last for up to 30 days. You screw it on, it's got tabs on the side that lock it in place, and then you're good to go. So we're gonna work over here on this window. I need to create an airtight seal.
There it goes. That is so precise.
It is very precise, I love it. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna seal this door. I got a rough opening here that needs to be airtight, and you don't have to worry about it dripping because it will stop when you stop.
You're really good at that. You should be a contractor.
You know what's awesome is that I'm already a contractor.
Renee, would you say Great Stuff is pretty great?
I would say Great Stuff is really, really great. I'm so glad I'm using it. Hey,
What's
AJ,
up, Renee?
come on in.
All
I'd
right.
love to have you.
Looks amazing.
Yeah, it's coming along great.
Well done.
What are you working on today?
We have some small openings around the pipes below the sink. I'll use the gaps and cracks. It's good for up to 1 inch, just to seal that from the elements. Let's get started.
Let's do it. Look at this tiny sink.
Tiny house, tiny space.
Oh, that's kind of cool. That went really quickly.
It's easy.
Is it really that easy?
Yes, I can be precise with the reusable smart dispenser. This will expand a bit beyond the pipe, but once it's dry, I'll cut it away. I'm on to the other sink in the tiny house.
What? What kind of tiny house is this?
A 2-sink tiny house.
Hey, wait a minute. There's already foam in there. Are you gonna spray more?
No, Renee took care of this one. I'm gonna take the fine-tooth saw, just gently go behind the foam and all the way around it. There it is. All the bits can be cleaned up with sandpaper, and then this will be repainted as the final finish. It's time to find some more gaps and cracks. Off to the next.
Oh, hello.
Oh, hello.
What are you doing out there?
I'm just checking out the construction of this tiny house.
Well, you can't really see what I'm doing from over there, so do you want to come on in and see?
Yeah, I'd love to.
Amazing, come on in.
So, are you some sort of contractor or something?
Funny you should ask. No, I'm not. I bake pies, and I'm a friend of Renee's.
What are you doing helping someone do construction when you're a pie baker?
Well, I am a really good friend.
So talk me through, what are you doing?
I am filling a big gap around this dryer vent.
And why big gap filler for a newbie like you?
Well, this is the most forgiving Great Stuff product, I think, because it is for big gaps. This fills spaces up to 3 inches, so there's a little bit more room for error. However, this reusable smart dispenser does give me a ton of control. I feel like I can be precise. It stops when I stop. I'm gonna give it a shake, and I'm gonna hold the can upside down.
Is it going into the gap there, like
Yeah,
pretty far?
exactly, and then it's expanding out, and as it cures, it's actually gonna expand a little further.
You feel good?
I feel okay. I feel like I could use a little more practice in the loft. You got up here fast.
I'm pretty quick.
All right, here we go.
Why are you sealing this big gap?
I'm blocking this gap to keep insects out, to keep moisture out, and to keep allergens out. All right, we'll let that dry.
Done.
Thank you so much for your help.
I really appreciate your help.
All right, I'll see you later.
Fist bump.
Have a good one.
You too.
Thanks.